Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the useState array of strings. How to use this array of strings in ReactJS. Let's get started to know about this. REACE is a snippet to show that a template of arrow function. It is ready-made function. Then we can do some adjustment here. Just declare const variable. It is a str array comma set str array which is equals to useState. By using useState only we are doing this in ReactJS. How to achieve this? First of all, we need to add the array of strings in this. Let's give some names. How, hello, comma within double quotes, how, comma within double quotes, how are you, comma within double quotes, you. Then how to display these values in the console. Before this one we need to set right that UI part using bootstrap. So let's use this. It's a this one is a react fragment, default is empty, and within this I am going to use this div. This div is meant for, we'll give the class name. Here it is a row, that means in a single row how many fields you want to add, that means columns we can add number of columns. Here within this control Z, control C, within this let's add one more div which is used for columns, col column, and within this we'll declare input value. Before knowing about this input, okay, just leave it input, and here one more thing is that we'll add the button, control C and control V, alt shift F, then it should be a button, control X here, button button, it's a add, that's it. And let's check in the browser how it is. See, input field is above and add button is somewhere, and how can we manage these two in this class name, row, column, text field, and it is a column and button we are using here. And we should use input is class name class class name, it is a form control control control. Same, we need to add this control C and apply for this button also, control V, and let's look here, see how it is. It is having form control, and at the same time it is off of it is showing the screen, so we'll adjust that to this one for 4 points. Let's verify how it is. It is 4 points, it is bigger, so we need to apply, that means here -2 will give, so this button is going to adjust as per that. And at the same time this screen is not showing properly, so for this row we'll apply a margin top which is 5, and observe here on the browser it came down. Then let's give the button color here, btn space btn hyphen button primary color, and verify that in the browser. Yeah, it is looks good, so bootstrap applied. So we'll keep it those aside and we'll come back to here, and let's display the values in the JS format of these str values. by using the map method, we'll display the values on the browser. Logically, if it is not empty, then only we'll do this. That means first one, strs array means if the values are there, then only it is going to do map operation. Map, in this we need to give two elements in the arrow function. It's a callback function, element comma, okay, we can give item, whatever you want, you can give your own names for here, and we'll display the values in header format or any kind. Let's display the value in header format h1. Within this we'll add this e element, and key property also we should give, otherwise it asks that key property value, that is I. Let's look in the browser. Yeah, as we expected, it is showing the value hello, how are you. These are the values are coming from here. So there is no dynamism, just whatever values are coming, those we are displaying on the browser as it is. So here one input box is there and add button is there. If you type something in the input box, if you click on add button, then it is going to display on the browser after u word, that means in the next line. So that we need to achieve by dynamically. Let's focus on that one. Before that, we need to do the here on change event for getting the input from the input box. That is event name, event method name is on change. Here we will type that handle. It is going to take the input value, that's why let's for understanding purpose input we'll give this name, and for this it is a function method, that for that we need to write down the here the definition const and paste this one is equal to the arrow function will follow here, and here it is going to take the event event. You can give any name for understanding. I'm giving the event, you can give shortcut event, some kind of whatever you interested. I'm giving e or event. So here it is going to take the values of input value. For that we need to declare a state variable, that is const. Here the value is str, individual value, that's why set str, don't get confusion, str, you may get confusion, so str val, it is a set str val, we can give val, and after this one use state, and that too it is a string, that's why keep it as empty brackets. And here let's get the value into set str value, control V, and within the parenthesis we'll focus on this event, control C, control V here, and dot event dot target dot value, and at the same time here it is going to get the value, and those values it has to reflect here also, value equals to in double quotes, what is that value, strval, this value, this value we need to give here, strval, control C and control V, okay, set. Then here if you type anything, it is going to reflect in the str value, that str value it is again showing in the input box. Let's check it, just to type something, it is reflecting because of that, this one, this input it is getting the value, and that value handling by this on change method, this method definition is available here. That means whatever typing the value, it is getting in the event dot target value, and that too assigning into set str value. Once if we assign the typed value into this method, that means this method it is holding the everything. That means once if you update this one, that value is reflecting this str, that str value you are showing in the input box, whatever you are typing that is appearing, no, that is the value. And next we'll write down one more here, that is on click event. Here also we'll write down the handle HANDL, handle add, what we call handle add btn button. If we click on button, it is going to handle the, how to handle this, const control V, it is also arrow function, and then what could we do after pressing the add button, it has to show on the browser. So this we need to update, control C, control V here, I think double quotes, yeah, directly we can assign the value str value, control this one control C. So what will happen if we add this one, only string value, single value it is going to add, but what is the state variable, it is array of strings, so we cannot do like this. What we can do here, within square brackets here, dot 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 comma, what is the new value, srt, string str, actually str it is, just update this, control C, control V, not this one, this is the array, control C, control V, this we need to use control Z, control C, we should use this here, yeah. Now this array is going to update, this array is going to update through this function, this array is updating using spread operator, and new value we need to add, assign to this. That means already previously some values are there, one by one it is going to assign, and at the same new value we are typing, and that value we are giving additionally, that means appending the new string to the array of string. Already 4 words are there, new word we can assign to this one. Let's verify that. Here, refresh it and type something here, type it and click add, it is showing, no? And if you click here, it is not clearing. For that, what we need to do here, what is that, input, what is the method, this one, input method, this one, here we need to give control V and keep it as empty bracket, empty. So just type the values and add the value, just clear, no? And if you type something like this, adding, and if you click once more, what is going on, it's not adding anything, it's not adding anything, just type it, add it, and if the value is there, then only it is getting that and displaying, otherwise it is not displaying here. So in this way we can assign the value for this. If it is empty, it is not adding the value. So that's it. In this way we can do that array of strings by using input and button, dynamically we can add, and at the same time whatever the values are getting, those values we are mapping and showing on the browser. That's it, friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.